In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose or customize a color palette in the Wix editor, ensuring your website's design is both cohesive and visually appealing. Whether you're building a new site or updating an existing one, having a well-defined color scheme can significantly enhance your brand's personality and user experience. First, let's navigate to the design settings within the Wix editor. Once you're in the Wix editor, look for the design option in your toolbar. Clicking on this will reveal a variety of design-related settings that you can tweak to match your vision. Within the design menu, you'll see the colors option. Selecting this brings up Wix's powerful color management tools, where you can choose from pre-existing palettes or dive deeper into customization. Depending on your design preferences or brand guidelines, you might want to choose a preset palette for simplicity, or you might want to tailor your own for more customization. Once you click on colors, you'll see various palettes Wix offers. These pre-configured color combinations are expertly designed to complement each other and simplify the design process. Feel free to browse through these options and click on any palette to see a preview of how it transforms your website's look. If you decide you want something more custom or distinct, customizing your color palette is quite straightforward. At the top of the color settings menu, there's an option to customize. Clicking, this will take you to a color picker interface where you can adjust individual colors within your palette. This is where you can truly let your creativity shine by selecting colors that perfectly align with your brand identity or the mood you wish to convey. The customization feature allows you to alter the primary, secondary, and background colors and any additional tones Wix has thoughtfully included in its templates. To change a color, click on it. This opens a detailed color picker where you can adjust the shade using the sliders, input specific RGB or hexadecimal color values if you're working off a style guide or brand kit, or even select a color using the color wheel. Experiment with these until you find a combination that you feel represents your design vision effectively. As you make these adjustments, Wix provides live updates in the editor, letting you see exactly how changes will affect the website's appearance. Once you're happy with your palette, remember to save your changes. This ensures your customized settings are applied across your site, maintaining consistency and a professional appearance. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've not only enhanced your site's visual appeal, but also created a consistent, engaging experience for your visitors. With these skills, you can ensure your website stands out and embodies the unique essence of your brand. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.